Yeah, and that's really what coaching is all about. It's really about giving the agency around a situation back to the client and asking them, what do you want to do about this? The reason our organization is called the Crew Coaching Institute is that CREW stands for creative, resourceful, and whole. And that's a primary tenet underlying coaching is that everyone who comes to us is creative, resourceful, and whole already. And the process of coaching is giving them the opportunity, the space to be able to think about the situation that they're facing, the goal that they've set for themselves, and then decide how they want to go about it and what they want to do about it, and supporting that process for them. But it's 100% agency on the part of the individual who's doing the coaching. And that's a different approach than what we see with a lot of what we might call interventions, if you will, for neurodiversity, right? A lot of those are behavioral modifications and really driven at helping the person function more neurotypically in a neurotypical world. And so we end up with sometimes individuals who are doing that, but there's a common term within the community called masking, which you may or may not have heard. And that means that what they've learned to do is to pretend, to put on this mask and to act in a neurotypical way. But what it doesn't address is the discomfort that creates and the fact that it doesn't allow a person to be their unique and genuine self in the world, which is what we need.
Yes, absolutely, because that's what creates the deeper connections that is more fulfilling ultimately, so it doesn't feel like it's an energy drain, but it's
Yes.
actually charging us all.
Yeah.
And